So this is the, I don't know what it is, Stansted Lock 4, and we've come across our first lock. That has a little swing bridge. And we've just, unfortunately, seen a tiny little boat got a little fours and gone through, so quite short, and this lock fills up really quite high to the top, so we're not sure till we go through and under this swing bridge whether or not we'll clear it, but if we don't, then we'll have to jump off the boat, or rather Mark will have to jump off the boat because he'll climb up the ladder from inside the lock, because I don't like doing that, and then we'll move the swing bridge, otherwise we'll go crouch. Okay, so not sure if we need to do this, but we're going to do it anyway, so we've had a practice run. So Mark's lifted the latch, and now I'm coming here, and I'm going to push. Oh yeah, that's not difficult. No different than the lock. Just in case, we are 62 foot long, so rather not take the risk of squeezing in and hitting the sill. Okay. Nothing to it. That was fun, wasn't it, Mark? Wasn't it?
I'm going to use the words because I feel it's real life, and so you need to know.
Nightmare.
It wasn't that bad.
Wow.
Pardon our French, s'il vous plaît.
It was
Basically, we was in
vicious.
that lock, and that's the widest lock we've been in so far, isn't it, Bridget? Yeah.
With a swing bridge.
We like big locks, but that was big. And the paddles were just deformed, sort of genetically modified paddles, and they just let loads of water out, and the boat went all over the place.
Genetically modified?
Yeah, they were
sort
like
of food.
they were they were like I could be a bit like Alan Partridge here, but no, they were really weird paddles, and they came up and the water was thrown us everywhere.
Inlet pipe, you mean? Well, pipes, they're not. Oh, I don't know.
Well, anyway, it went
the
everywhere.
inlet bit went bloody mad, and through the boat.
I mean,
just mad.
I like it rough at the best of times, but that was just. I was out of control. So
yeah, that was a bit panicky, but not so much because we were in any danger or anything, but I had fortunately made extra effort today to make sure everything was hooked up and put away, and planning ahead and all that. Thankfully I did, but we did have a few things fall off the shelf.
Yeah, so
lesson learnt, only open the paddles a tiny little bit and let a lot more water rush in on the bigger locks with the bigger inlets, because they were really vicious.
I should have stood on the roof and used the centre line and pulled it in, if I'm honest, but
yeah, you should.
Now I've learnt that ain't going to happen again.
You will do that, won't you, next time? Yeah.
I'm
only blooming glad it weren't me in. Well, it wouldn't get me in there doing that anyway, because I don't like the locks inside. Not when we're low.
It wasn't bad. I mean, my couple of books and stuff fell off, and that was it. So nothing major.
No breakages. No.
So that's my little drama, and Bridget's.
Yeah. So that was the offending. I don't know if I'm.
Yeah, just point the camera at
doing this.
Just point it
there. It's very nice, and I enjoyed sort of my first swing bridge.
I've just realised. We're just filling up with water. I've just realised I'm not really into swinging stuff. Bridget's into swinging, but I think she might.
Yeah, I loved it. Yeah.
Might change her mind now.
Oh, you.
What? What? Sorry?
On that note.
I don't know what she means.
What was that you just showed me, Mark? What was that? What's that?
This is my flotation. This is no, you perverts. This is a, what do they call it?
Yeah, but you didn't show me it like that. You showed me it like that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yes, you said, look at this.
Look at this.
Yes.
It needs a new shackle. Well, actually, it needs the shackle taken off because it's damaging my paintwork. So I'm going to take the shackle off and then put the rope onto that without the shackle, and then when it goes like that, it's not going to scratch my boat. So that's, while we're waiting for the water to fill up, that's what we're going to do. And then I'm
going to go and make a sandwich and a cup of tea.
What are you going to say about doggy do?
Oh, I am not going to turn into one of these moany, whingy canal river people, but I am. I cannot believe we've got 3 Labradors and we look after them and we dispose of their poop and everything, but Mark must have at least 3-4 times stood in dog do
say it like it is,
on the
Bridget.
towpath.
It's dog.
Yes, well, anyway. And I've just done it now, and it's on the actual part of where you moor as you come out the other side of the lot. What's wrong with people? Well, look, okay. There's 2 sides to the path. This side is full of stinging nettles, trees. Nobody can walk there. Yeah, and that side where people get off their boats. That's where they let their dogs crap, and then we stand in it. And guess what? I thought, I know. Whilst the water's filling up, there's a lovely little seat over there with a lovely little plaque. Yeah, just here. I don't know which way my phone is now or what way I'm showing. Anyway, it's here.
There's dog shit there.
Oh, I don't know what I'm doing now. Anyway, so if I point this down now, where I'm sat, okay, it's just ridiculous. In fact, I do hope I'm zooming in. Dog doobery. And more dog doobery. And a seat. What the... Oh, well, anyway, I'm not going to moan anymore, but I cannot believe people.
Oh, hiya people. We've landed in a place called Where. Where that is, I have no idea. And it's Bonfire night. No, it's not. Well, there's fireworks going off everywhere, so I don't even know what day it is, but I'm sure it's fireworks night, which is November the 5th or thereabouts, the nearest weekend to it. So just taking a walk down the high street, see if we can find anything, and then fancy a bit of takeaway because it's Saturday night. Well, that was a close shave. Literally just filmed the party bus. And then I was stood on the back, and as it went past it, obviously there was a bit of wake. I nearly fell in the water. That's not funny. I nearly fell in the water, really? Including this camera.
No.
Yeah. I went, oh, like that. I nearly fell in. So that would have been funny, all for YouTube. Good morning, people. I hope you've had a great morning like we have. To be honest, I've only just got up. So we haven't been up that long, to be honest. I don't even know what day it is. I think it's Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. Don't ask me the date. It's around the 3rd or 4th of October. Hello, look at these ducks. Look, come to say hello. Hello, ducks. Oh my word. We've got some gooses. Here, let me show you.
Hello, hello. Oh dear. Get off my patch. I want feeding this morning. Go away, I'm warning you all. We're not listening. Because we come from Canada. So this is where we're moored up. Let me... Actually, what I'll do is I'll get a better perspective of where we're moored up. And then you'll be able to see exactly where we are. Okay, so I'm on the footbridge at the moment. And this is where Rosetta is moored up. Okay, so we've got this little spinny bit off here, which is sort of more sort of stopped with this barrier that they've put across there, which is fine because we don't need to get down there anyway. This is our little garden for today, which is nice, as they said on the fast show. And just got to watch out for the goose poo. Oh dear, this is where I nearly fell in the water yesterday when the party boat went past. And this is what it's all about. Boat life, stroke off-grid, stroke get outside and have some fun. Look at these people walking their dogs along the towpath, and even look further along there's even more young family. What have you got, mate? Oh, you're not doing it again.
Look! Oh, you're very vocal, aren't you? Oh, somebody's got some food. Oh, friends.
Was that a relation to Jemima?
Don't think so. No, very different altogether.
Where's your steps? I reckon somebody's just chucked a load of breadcrumbs out there. That'll be it. Well, see, so much for fair. They're very vocal, but they were only vocal because they wanted some food.
No, but they were different geese. I don't know what particular geese they were.
Oh, they were the lesser spotted wobble kind.
Oh, I've never seen them.
Yeah, they or it could have been the umiguli bird.
No, the umiguli bird is on the bottom of your mum's banister. Going ouch.
For those of you who haven't heard of the umiguli bird, it's a very, very famous bird in these parts of the country of the United Kingdom, specifically around this area. The umiguli bird is quite unique because it doesn't have any legs, and scientists and naturalists to this day still don't know why the bird has developed without any legs. But you can distinctively hear an umiguli bird. If you want to keep a look at my beard, it's all gone sideways. If you want to hear, you can hear an umiguli bird very easily, because when they come into land, they shout out umigulis, umigulis, umigulis. So, hello, look, we've got some more friends.
Oh, hissy.
Is this hissing Sid?
Hello.
What? I haven't got anything.
I haven't got any food, sorry.
Well, I will have, but you're just too early because I only just got up myself. So I know. Don't bite my hand.
If you put your hand out, they'll think it's food.
Well, there is that, of course. Oh, hello.
Gone.
You're going to take it straight out of your hand. I will.
Oh, it's gone now.
What was that? I've never heard a swan make that noise before. It sounded like something out of the Alien movie. Oh, yeah, they come.
Like that.
Hello. Oh. Oh. It's too slow. Give it. He wants a bit, Bridget. Give it to him.
I don't know, you make me a bit nervous.
No, he won't look. Promise you that. Yeah.
They snatch. Where's your manners? Oh, that's not nice. So you're choking now, aren't you? Because it's dry. These are the two. I think they're really good. on. This one's got all. What a noise! Oh. Look at you.
Me and the missus decided to, actually no, strike that. Me and Bridget decided to go for a quick walk into Ware and see what's happening. And apparently it's Sunday, so I've trimmed my beard, made it look a little bit more respectable, and look what she's discovered. Look, can you see that? I don't know if that's in reverse on your picture or not, but it's a mind shop and basically a charity shop. Now, the thing with Bridget and charity shops is she loves them and she spends money in them, which I haven't got any issues with at all. Right? However, and this is the crunch. We haven't got much room on the boat, so she always buys little knickknacks and patio acts and sparkly things and stuff like that. So I don't know what she's going to come out with a shop today, but normally it ends up being something in a bag. So we'll see. But she's all while loving charity shops. Now this has been okay because we had a house. That's not the case anymore. So we'll see what she's got. What you bought?
Some tops. And calligraphy box. All my inks and my nibs and my
Calligraphy box. Did we need a calligraphy box?
Oh, I did, yes.
Why?
I didn't know I did, but until I saw
okay.
it. Yeah. Were you filming me?
Told you. We needed a calligraphy box apparently. So we've now got a calligraphy box and we have got some tops. So look at her. Look, she's grinning. Look.
Should we get something nice for later? For a cup of coffee?
What, like 20 litres of diesel?
No.
The boat?
No, with coffee.
Oh right. We'll get coffee.
In that window.
Whoa. Now you're talking. Oh look.
What do you
Lots of
fancy?
shiny glossy goodies.
What do you fancy?
I
That
don't
looks
know.
nice.
Should we go have a look? Come. Let's come in. Let's see what there is. Wow, look at all this lovely. Look at these cheese straws. Oh,
I'm going to get a cheese straw. It's one of the first things I learned to bake at school.
a cheese straw.
Cheese straws, yeah. And I was so excited carrying them home in my little basket, my little wicker basket with a tea towel over the top, showing it to Mum. And I never ate one. Because I used to always let my mum try the first one.
When was this? Horse-drawn cart era? No? Yeah, further back. Further back, maybe. Where are we going now?
Costa!
We're going to Costa because you got to have some Costa coffee. What are you going to look for?
Well, you see, I would have that, and those hearts, and that tree. I might have to get that.
Why? Where are we going to put that on the boat?
I can't choose a smaller tree than that, can I?
Go, catch it!
A quick lift.
Costa. Ended up in Costa, and well, we've got something nice to show you. Yeah, lovely cappuccino. Oh, we like that. And then we both treated ourselves to a cheese toasty, which they're in those sort of like pre-made, and then they heat them up on a grill thing. But I don't care. I love cheese, so cheese and ham. Yummy.
Tastes lovely.
Tastes lovely, probably full of everything that you're not supposed to eat, but we don't care. Bridget's being naughty again. Yes, look what she's gone and got now. Soup. Alright, so we've got some more healthier food. have. Look what she's done to me. Now, you might think this is just me walking along with nothing in my hands. However, she's stuffed my rucksack full of food. But not only that, well, you'll see.
How toilet rolls will travel.
She's always said I'm full of